Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and this is my DeWalt 60 volt max string trimmer, and this is the original head. It's about 6 years old. It needs to be replaced, and so this is my Echo SRM 266, and see, it's got a different head, and they fit each other, but over the years I've found that the Echo is the superior head. So I'm going to take this head off of this DeWalt 60 volt max, and I'm going to put on an OEM Echo speed feed head onto this, and I think I'll get a better performance for longer.
Remove the battery before you start.
So the first thing you do is you got to find this little notch right there, that little notch, and okay, so we're going to look for a corresponding notch in the bushing behind that notch. So I got a flashlight on it. The flashlight helps with the DeWalt. And you're just going to be turning this. We're looking for a corresponding hole.
And here it is. You see the outer notch is right here, and then you can see behind it right here is the inner notch. So you need to line those two notches up. Also, there's a notch on one side of the guard that you might prefer to use to make it a little easier. Now I'll take my #1 Phillips and put it right between those notches, and you might have to feel around a little bit with a screwdriver and make sure it goes between both those notches.
Alright, so you want to turn this clockwise and grab this ring right here and then turn this clockwise. And there it is. Okay, so there's the old head, and so this is the DeWalt head.
While the DeWalt head is off, I can show you this photograph showing the two notches that your screwdriver is to go between.
Now I'm going to take a little dab of grease. I'm going to put it on these threads right here, just a little bit. Okay. Now we take our new speed feed, and we're going to put this on counterclockwise. You need this still in place here. The screwdriver still needs to be in place all the way through this bushing and into the next bushing. Okay, so you put it on just like that, and you go counterclockwise. Keep your screwdriver in here. Alright, when it starts to get tight, tighten this portion right here. Just by hand, probably as hard as you can by hand to be fine. It'll tighten up more later when you're using it. Okay, there you go. Then you take the screwdriver out. Whoops, then you take the screwdriver out. There you go. It's just a #1 Phillips. So now depress this portion right here and pull this out. Depress it again, pull this out. Okay, so I got the string out. By the way, this is loaded with 0.095 line. You can put 0.105 line in it. That's the maximum it'll take. Okay, so you want this line just before the cutting portion on the head there. So I'll cut it right there, cut a little bit off, and this side, I'll cut it right here. Okay, so there we go. We're ready to go. We got a new head on the DeWalt 60 volt max string trimmer.
The head that I put on is called the Echo Speed Feed 400. It's quick and easy to reload, and it's called a tap to advance line feed. One thing I'd like to point out about it is that it's patented, and there's a lot of knockoffs. That's why I'm mentioning this. There are certain patents, though, that other companies can't copy. So I'd go with the OEM. The line that it came with is pretty interesting. It's called the Crossfire, the Echo Crossfire, and I've never used it. I've always used the Echo Black Diamond, which I think is really excellent. I'll put links in my video description for all the items you saw in the video, including the Echo SpeedFeed 400 trimmer head. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.